Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello there, Flat Earth Trading Society members. This is Rob again, and here we are, trade number 5. So, let's go through why are we doing this whole thing. The point of this entire experiment is to show that the exit is more important than the entry. So what we're doing is we're taking random entries. We're going to choose crazy ways, and we're going to apply strict position sizing rules, position sizing, position management. We're going to make hundreds of trades and see if we can make some money just by position management. So today, the random entry method is going to be what I call Wheel of Misfortune. Now, it could be Wheel of Fortune. We have no idea. Likely Misfortune. But we're going to spin a wheel and pick a ticker symbol from the wheel. Here I am on wheelofnames.com. Yeah, you can go there and make your own wheel. We're going to be using this several times because I think this is just a fantastic way to randomly pick things. All I did was put in all of the letters from the alphabet, and we're going to spin it 4 times. Now, we did this in Scrabble tiles. We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to spin it 4 times. If there's no ticker symbol for the 4 letters we get, we're going to drop the last letter and see if there's a ticker symbol for that one. And then if not, we'll drop it to 2 letters, and if not, we'll drop it to 1. And at 1 letter, there's pretty much a stock for every single individual letter, so we'll definitely have something here. So let's go ahead and spin this thing 4 times and see what we get for Wheel of Misfortune. Right, so the first letter is going to be, drum roll please, a J. Let's roll it again. We're spinning again. So we have J. Next up is X. Okay. Wow, I don't think there's going to be a JX. So let's keep going here. I think we're going to end up with J. So anyway, JXK, it looks like. All right. And last spin, JXKX. Okay, so here we are, JXKX. Let's see if that is a thing, and I'm pretty sure it's not, but JXKX. Oh, that is not a surprise. Nothing matches that. So let's take off the X and see if anything matches it. Nope, here we are, JXK, nothing matches it. Let's take off the K. JX, we have a JXN, but that does not fit what we're looking for. Let's just go down to J. And it looks like here we are with J, Jacob's Solutions. Let's see if this stock is a high enough price and has enough volume. Here we are, Jacob Solutions, $137 stock, and it trades about 800,000 shares a day. This one will work. So this is our trade. It is J, Jacob Solutions. And since we're here on the chart, let's go ahead and check. The 13 EMA is definitely sloping higher, so this trade will be a long. It will be a long in J, and the current price is $137.04. So here is our order ticket at first. It is August 14th. Simple as J. We are looking to be long. 137.04 is the current price. We don't know the size yet because we've got to figure out where our stop is going to be. So let's figure that out. Here we are back to the chart, and we just need to find out what our ATR is. ATR is currently at $2.25. So that is going to be our starting ATR. Here we have the numbers. We've got entry at 137.04. ATR is 2.25, so 2 times ATR is very easy math here, $4.50. So if you take $4.50 minus the current entry, you end up with 132.54. Let's put this into a position sizing calculator to get our position size. Here we are on chartyourtrade.com, position sizing calculator. And the first thing we need to do is get our current account value. So let's go grab that current account value. Here's our current account value. It's $103,430. You can see we've got our positions working. We've got our AEEs up nicely. ESTE is down. And we've got our pound dollar trade here up 535. So 103,430. So 103,430. We're risking 1%. Our entry price was 137.04. And our initial protective stop was at 132.54. 2 ATX below. Compute. 229 shares, so we'll round that up. 230 shares is going to be the position size. Now we've got our entire order ticket filled in. It is August 14th. J is a symbol. We're going long. 230 shares. We'll update that entry price when we make the trade. Our first stop is going to be $4.50 below the entry price. Let's go put the trade in. Let's go put the ticker symbol J in for Jacobs Solutions. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Let's make our buy order here. Our buy order is going to be for 230 shares. And we can just do this at the market because we do not care about the entry. That's the whole point of this exercise, is that we don't care about the entry. Let's go ahead and hit submit. Let's enter the order. This order has been filled. Let's see where our fill price was. 137.03. So we'll adjust everything by a penny here in a second, but let's go ahead while we're here and put in our stop. So we're going to put in our trailing stop, and our trailing stop is going to be for an amount of $4.50. $4.50. Make sure that's good to canceled. 230 shares, trail 450. And you know what? We're getting a lot quicker at this. That is done. So this is the trade. We have the trade in. Let's go finish this up. Let's go through the rules here. When we enter a trade, we do an initial trailing stop at 2 ATR. After we get a 2 ATR profit, we're going to adjust to 1.5 ATR. And then once we get to a 4 ATR profit, we're going to adjust to 1 ATR. So as this thing goes our way, if it goes our way, we have no idea. We're just simply going to tighten this up a little bit. I am looking into some ways to automate this a little bit better to where we don't have to constantly be watching this. I will be unveiling that here in the next couple of trades to where we're just going to set all these orders up in advance to where they just take care of themselves. But for now, we're just going to be manually moving this one at this point. And what do we do next? We watch. We don't have to watch. I encourage you to not watch. The worst thing you can do is watch the screen, because at this point, we are a spectator. We simply follow the rules. That's it. That is Trade 5. Thanks for joining me.